All right. 12908 Hunter's Chase. Here we go. Beautiful brick. This one is stellar. Neighborhood Millwood, close to Apple, close to Domain. We have no carpet in this property, lots of natural light, so much natural light that I'm not gonna turn on the lights for you. Just kidding, I think the power is off. Oh no, it's not, okay. Beautiful flooring, nice light. I like the vaulted ceilings, lets the light in. You got a double height here, beautiful windows. Woo! Makes me wanna scream. All right, look at this, check that, boom. Look at this kitchen, beautiful. Skylight, massive, letting in lots of natural light. Notice there are no lights on in here until just now when I flipped that switch. Beautiful. Green tile backsplash. These appliances are not old, all stainless steel, spotless clean. Refrigerator, washer, and dryer included. Pow, clean, ready for your condiments. Look at this. Beautiful solid wood cabinets. None of that cheap veneer here, ladies and gentlemen. Here's the breakfast area. Boom. Look at that. And you got a little knick-knack shelf there. And you got a little vaulted here with your fireplace. A ceiling fan. This is your TV and chairs go. Beautiful living, open to the kitchen, to the fireplace. Again, the wood floors. Let's venture yonder. Here we go, primary bedroom, beautiful. This is about 14 by 14. It has got a little bay window in addition. Lots of natural light in it again. Look at those floors, gorgeous. Gorgeous. I knew I could do it. All right, this has a separate shower tub combo. Spotless clean, little dated, but that doesn't matter as long as it's clean. Beautiful. You got a little body sprayer there to get those hard to reach places. Toilet, and then you have a nice spacious closet. Boom, 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 and guess what? There's two doors. So look at that. In one and out the other. One more time, just for good measure. Here we go, in and out, loop-de-loop. All right, shut them both. Double vanity. Another beautiful mirror for your body shots. Here's another shot of the old kitchen area. This is to the guest bathroom. And again, very clean. You got a bar there in case you slip and fall, you can catch yourself. Single vanity in here. And then this takes you to, here's a little shelf. And then here's your washer and dryer. And you got a little more cabinets up there. Can never have enough cabinets. And here is the old guest bedroom number 1. Ceiling fans in every room. This one has a little double closet door action there. Again, the floors carry all the way into here. Window, low enough to escape from and fire. You need good exits, so you got to prepare for the worst case scenario at all times. And there are shelves and a big old rack at the top. I tell my wife that the racks matter, but she does not like it when I say that. All right, and last but not least, garage. That's a lot of fun to reveal. And then this is just a little water heater action. That's what a water heater looks like. And yeah, so spacious garage. The sprinkler control is over there on the corner. And we cannot forget about the best part. The beautiful backyard with covered patio. Let's go. Reveal. So there is like a little no man's strip between the two fences of the back neighbors and yours. So there's a gate there that allows, I think it's like a drainage easement. I guess you can walk on it because there's a gate there, but I don't know about the space that it has back there to walk with. You know, I don't know how maintained it is. It looks like it might be a little bit overgrown. This grass will also be cut very soon, so don't judge it. But look how green it is. I mean, we're in September right now. This is actually we're in October. We're in October. I don't even know what month it is. Jesus. Oh my gosh. I promise I'm actually highly intelligent, super good at realtoring. And this is this angle. Lush grass. We had a good rain. Temperature's nice. Beautiful. Feel the wind on my skin. All right, and that is the property. Inquire today.